Talal from Canada.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, there was a man praying Taraweeh beside me, and he was with his child, who is probably around 2 years old. So, Sheikh, while that man was praying, his child was laying straight on the ground, and when the man was going into prostration, so the child raised his legs, and of course, that man was having difficulty in going into sujood. So, Sheikh, I was nearly about to laugh, but I controlled it because if I didn't control it, then my prayer would have broken. But I was smiling. So, Sheikh, is this kufr? Because I think the reason to laugh was that the child is naughty, but I didn't had any intention of making fun of prayer.
Where is the kufr coming from?
Because the man was praying and the child was.
No. When you say, is this kufr? If I laugh in the salat, where is the kufr in it?
No, because the laughing would be because I was laughing at the child.
Okay, is the child something related to Islam?
No, because he was distracting the person who was praying.
I understand. Where is the kufr? Kufr is disbelief. Number one, did you disbelieve in Allah or the Quran or the Sunnah? Yes or no?
No.
Did you disbelieve in the obligation of salat? Yes or no?
No.
Were you making fun of salat and those who were praying? Yes or no?
No.
So what is kufr?
I was just doubtful that maybe it might be considered as like making fun of somebody who is praying or...
Well, where is the fun? You're not making fun of anyone. Something is funny. Your iman is so low and weak to the extent that you don't remember who you're standing to pray for. And that is why you may get these feelings of laughter. Real, true Muslims don't laugh. The companions and the Salaf, whenever they went to make wudu, their color would change and their faces would go pale. And people would ask them, what's wrong with you? And they would say, in fear, don't you know who I am about to stand in front and pray to? This is their fear of Allah. Not that they're praying and then they're laughing or smiling or giggling because a child was playing. So the worst that we could say is that if you laugh, your prayer is invalid. There is no kufr at all in this. And I don't know why people keep on wanting to self-sabotage themselves. They just want to harm themselves. Oh, Sheikh, I was drinking water and I took 4 sips instead of 3. Have I committed kufr? Why? Because the sunnah is to take 3 sips and I took 4. Okay, were you intoxicated? Sheikh, it was normal water. So then why would it be kufr? There's something wrong in the mechanism of how people think. There's something wrong there's a loose bolt. And this is really scary. Because if a person is unable to determine his own religion, his own belief and conviction, if he is not able to deal with Allah Azza wa Jal as being the merciful, the most compassionate, the forgiving, the one who guides people to repent, and decides to deal with him as something else, someone who's just ready to throw you in hell. For what? We have to use our logic. We have to use our senses. If we lead the Taraweeh, if we know the Quran, if we know the Sunnah, we have to implement this. It's not just there for barakah. It's there to ponder upon, to contemplate upon, and to implement in our lives.